Patuloy pong naglalabas ng pahayag nga si Zaldico mula sa abroad pero hindi pa rin humaharap sa ICI. Commissioner, kailan po ihahain ang indirect contempt case laban sa kanya? At kapag naisampa po ba ito ay mapipilitan na siyang umuwi? At ano po ang magiging proseso realistically or kailangan talagang kaso ang maisampa para mapauwi po siya?
No, I think I'm not a legal expert, but this is my understanding. You need to file a case so that ma-cancel yung kanyang passport, so that his mobility will be restricted. No, so yun lang, and then hopefully consider him as a fugitive, so he'll be forced to come home.
Wala po bang failures man lang sa ICI? Kasi sabi niya, ano na po siya, handa na siyang isiwalat ang lahat.
Sana totoo yung sinasabi niya, no? So, mag-submit siya kahit na written sworn affidavit, and then we will look into it, no? Ang problema, social media ang ginamit niya na walang kwento yung ginawa niya, na no probative value.
Ano man lang po yung pwede niyang gawin kahit nasa labas po siya ng bansa na would be acceptable to ICI, Commissioner?
Well, other than maybe sending his sworn affidavit on what he knows, because that's what we will be doing to some others, no? Na kung ayaw nyo mag-appeal, then give us your affidavit, a sworn statement on what you know, who were involved, what was your role, and all the other information that we will probably ask if he were in front of us.
How about like a video investigation, yung through video call po? Though yan po ay hindi tinanggap inallow sa Senate, but pwede po ba yun? Would you be willing or papayag po ba ang ICI kung makakausap nyo sa
I think
video call?
better, Cyril, as far as the legal people here in ICI, it will have to be a written sworn statement.
Okay, all right. Idinadawit po ni Zaldico, Commissioner, ang Pangulo sa alleged insertions. Pero sinabi niyong walang mabigat nga o walang bigat yung pahayag na yon. May nakita po ba kayong ebidensyang taliwas sa kanyang akusasyon?
Ayaw ko na i-dignify yung sinabi niya sa media.
Opo. So, nakakaapekto ba yan yung akusasyon ni Zaldico sa momentum at objectivity ng inyo pong investigasyon? O mas lalo lang nitong pinaigting yung scrutiny ninyo sa insertions?
Definitely not, no? Because may mga nakalinya na kaming mga tao, as I said, no, the big ones in the Senate, in Congress, in the contractors that have been named, as well as the officials of government, no, executive branch, no. So nakalinya na yan, no. So we have our hands full, actually, kung tutuusin mo.